All eyes will be on the big boy Reliance Industries as well, as the company is slated to report its Q4 earnings on Friday, that is tomorrow. And what to expect from Reliance Industries? Soumit is here to tell us all that. Take it away, Soumit.
Well, on a consolidated basis, if you see, not a big bang set of numbers are expected from Reliance Industries. The revenues are expected to be higher by only 2%. EBITDA could increase by around 4.5%. Margins are expected to come in at 16.6%, while the net profit is expected to be 6% higher on a sequential basis. Now, if you see segment-wise performance, it is the O2C segment that is expected to lead the growth for Reliance Industries in the fourth quarter, and that is the reason why. And this is because the EBITDA growth of O2C segment will be the highest compared to other segments at around 9%. Now, O2C segment benefited because of a steady refining margin and because of higher petrochemical margins in the fourth quarter. Now, petrochemical margins were also higher because of lower energy costs that we had seen in the previous quarter. Moving on to the gas exploration business, now that is expected to see a 4% increase in its EBITDA, and this will be largely on the back of higher volumes because gas prices remain largely stable on a sequential basis. When it comes to the retail segment, that segment's revenue is expected to rise by around 3%, while the EBITDA growth is expected to be around 4%, and this will be purely on the back of store expansion and operating leverage for Reliance Industries.
But hang on, Soumit, what's in the store for telecom vertical Reliance Jio? Is the slowdown already priced in, and what are the analysts expecting?
Well, from Reliance Jio, which is the telecom arm of Reliance Industries, yes, not much growth expected on that front. Also, even in fact, if you see the EBITDA and the net profit growth for Reliance Jio is expected to be around 2% and 0.6%, and this will be the slowest ever growth reported by Reliance Jio in the fourth quarter of FY23. ARPU, which is the key number for the telecom company, is expected to come in pretty much flat at close to 179 rupees per user per month, while the subscriber base is expected to be slightly higher at close to 43.9 crore user base. Now, whatever growth we are seeing in the Reliance Jio number is purely in the back of subscriber addition, as there was no tariff hike and cost was also higher on a sequential basis because of 5G launch. We are seeing such a slower growth on the EBITDA and on the net profit front. Now, apart from the results, what are the key things to watch out for from Reliance Industries earning? Firstly is the net debt number. Earlier, the company Reliance Industries was a net debt-free company, but now its net debt has increased to around 1 lakh crore. So where this number is going to be at the end of financial year 23 would be important to watch out for, along how has been the performance of its recent investment in retail and a new energy vertical would also be important to track. What is the update on the demerger of Jio Financial Services, something that investors would be keenly watching out for, and what has been the 5G traction, what are the 5G monetization plans going ahead would also be important to track from Reliance Industries and Reliance Jio earnings.